Hello YouTube. I have the cover application installed on the Lenovo A369i. Let us have a look at the application. Cover is basically a lock screen and replacement application. It is currently in beta. Though it is in beta, it is a good one to have because it makes the phone much easier to use. So I have installed it recently and it is working flawlessly. Cover can be normally downloaded from Play Store on other phones, but on Lenovo A369i this is not available from the Play Store. So we have to sideload it. I have sideloaded it and I have been using it for the past 1 week and it's working without any issues at all. So let us have a look. This is the actual default home screen. We use the normal slide to unlock, and if I enable cover, the lock screen will be replaced by the cover application. So this is the cover lock screen. So as you can see, the lock screen is completely different and we have quick access to different applications here. We can slide to unlock. We can only slide to one side. We cannot slide to this side. We can only slide to one side to unlock. And the main feature of the cover is the display of these applications here. Cover learns how we use the applications and how we use the applications at different times of the day. So based on that, it displays the applications that we are most probably going to use. And if we want to see more applications, we can scroll and it shows more applications. So all these cover learns as we use the application. So the longer we use, the better it gets. Then the other feature of the cover application is the peek. We can quickly peek at the application that we want. So this is the SMS application. So if I want to have a quick look at the SMS, then I can tap on the SMS icon and slide it and it will show the SMSs, and I can go back. Same way Gmail. The next thing is to open the application directly. If I just want to unlock the screen, I can do it normally. Or if I want to unlock and go to a particular app, any of these applications, then I can tap on that and open it. It will take me directly to that particular application. Then we have what is called as context. Right now, if you can see here, I am out. We have different contexts here: home, work, car, or out. I have currently selected out. So the icons, the applications it displays are based on that, the applications and the wallpaper. If I change it to home, the applications change as well as the wallpaper. Same way, if I change it to car, you can see the maps has come up now. Maps, phone and email have come up. This is based on my past usage. So this is how it displays different icons based on where we are and the time. And if I manually want to boost the ranking of any of these applications, I can tap and hold. I can tap and hold on that. It displays the boost or drop. I can select either boost or drop and it will do accordingly. So if I say boost, the place of that application is boosted. So that is one, and we can customize the wallpapers and applications for each of these. We can use a custom wallpaper or choose one of the built-in ones. Then from the settings we have more options. From here we can customize how the phone behaves when we are at home, work, car or out. So if I go to home, I can select the home address here. Then I can select wireless networks that I use at home. And if I am connected to that particular wireless network, the cover knows that I am at home and it automatically changes to home mode. If I am connected to my work wireless network, it will automatically change to the work mode. So that is one customization. Then I have the ringer preferences. So from ringer preference I can choose a ringer mode for home. Say I'll choose vibrate only. If I activate the ringer preference, then I also have an option to make the phone silent at night. I can customize the times. So the start time and end time for the silent mode, that is one. These are the small simple options that we have for different modes. And car mode can be automatically detected based on if we are connected to the Bluetooth, or say if the phone has accelerometer and gyroscope, then it can automatically detect based on the speed. And the application preferences. So here we have app switching tray. I'll talk about that. And then we have the hidden apps. If we want some apps to be hidden from the cover application, then we can select those applications here, and those applications will not show up in cover. If I want to hide an app here, I can add it from here. So going back, the application switching, the app switching tray. Notice the small blue bar here. We can change the width of that bar here. We can place it either on the left or on the right. So I have selected right, and that's the width of the bar now. That is currently shown, but once we exit the application, that is not shown, but that area is used to switch between the applications. So in that area, if I drag down, I can quickly switch between these applications. So while I am in any of the applications, I can quickly switch to other application by dragging down from here. So I'm in Chrome, and if I want to quickly switch to messaging, I can drag down and stop at the messaging icon, and it will take me to the messaging. So that way I can switch between applications. So again, if I want to switch to Chrome, I can do that. If I want to switch to phone, I can do that. So that way I can switch between different applications. This is one feature. So mainly we have the lock screen replacement, from where we can directly go to different applications. And then the alt tab type of switching between the applications from here. So this is cover application, a good one to have. Try it. It makes it easier to use the phone. Thanks for watching and have a good day.